How can we further improve the user experience of Lightning wallets for new users?
Okay, so it's feedback. It's a feedback, getting feedback from the community of people who are using it. So for so many wallets, like you realize there's a specific feature that a certain community is really want it. And actually, it's good that some of these projects are open source. So you could just fork the code and actually develop on it, on specific feature that works well depending on local context.
To improve the user experience for new users, I think you really want to ease them in gradually, but give them a very quick win, meaning that they should succeed at whatever they're trying to do. You know, keep it simple and help them get to that win state early as you can, so that they feel they've accomplished something, so that they want to keep diving in more.
For new users, I feel for new users, is the interface. If they can have an easy interface to maneuver, it will really make it quite well. I also lately I've been thinking one thing that Lightning wallets don't have is more of like how to do this. I don't know whether when you start you have like how to do this, how to create a Lightning invoice. That would be really nice to start to set up for new users. Yeah.
I think for new users, it's very important if you have a short video also where they can, learn how to use it, and you have great UI UX, which is like very easy for them. Something like an Apple phone where anyone and everyone can use. Very, I would say user-centric, user-focused, where, and I mean, because user adoption is very important when it comes to wallet, and if it's quite difficult, then it messes up with the user experience. So I think keeping it simple, easy to understand, great UI UX would be the top 3 characteristics of any wallet.
So I think already the wallet devs do a very good job. So as I say, like Blink is really easily understandable. So from my point of view, there's not that much to improve, I guess.
So for new users, it has to be very easy to get going, and the wallet has to hold their hand through the early processes, which is why I like the Blink wallet, as discussed, because there is an education element to that. And yes, it's custodial, and they can rug you, but people have to start with something they can understand, and they can progress into kind of more self-custodial approaches when they're ready.
Yeah. Maybe for new users, the best way to improve the user experience can be, just sometimes being able to work in Sats versus Bitcoin. That tends to be confusing to somebody who is new. Some Lightning wallets do a very good job of allowing users to see their funds in local currency or Sats or Bitcoin, but sometimes just converting between that can be a little bit difficult.